kayo makahinang naman, mapasabihin kayo na poong may kapal. Ang pagpapalan ng Diyos ay
lullaby. The stars seem a little bit faded. The clouds just a little
Ako naman wala naman perfecto mag-asawa. Marami kami pinagdaanan. Pero pagka gano'n na medyo nag-iinit ako, sabi, wag mo akong awayin, bukas mo na ka-away. So, paano pang galit mo? Bukas ka pa magagalit. Oo, gano'n. Marami kami pinagdaanan. Bata, kami din mag-asawa. Pero, yun doon, nandun pa rin yung, yun nga sabi ng mga magulang namin na huwag kayo matutulog na galit. Marami din sakripisyo. Marami sakripisyo talaga. Pero, sa awa ng Diyos, umabot kami ng 46 years na magsama. Hindi naman ako laging linoblow out at yung ibang mga na dinedate. Pero, andyan naman lagi yung pag-alala sa akin na dumating kahit pagod. Lagi. Pero mamimiss ko din sa kanya na lagi kikilitin yung pit ko.
Beaches aren't as lovely. The sky isn't quite as blue. Still there.
Was he a good father? He was and a good uncle. He was also a very good older brother to my.
Rain is a little bit cold.
Ang sabi na lang natin na ang paborito ng Panginoon ay Diyos.
Seems that heaven isn't all that far.
Our dad, Ed Cuales, Don Facundo to us, his daughters, was a great man and father. He was imperfect in so many ways, but to us, he is the best dad. Growing up, Daddy was my math teacher, and math was not my favorite subject. So he sure is not the patient one. Above all, Daddy was generous, thoughtful, and kind. Daddy taught us countless lessons throughout his life, but the hardest lesson he's leaving us with is how to say goodbye and let go. Daddy, just like math, I'm struggling with this one. Daddy, this is the last night I will see you physically. Just love how patient you were when you teach me math. Please also be patient and help me understand and accept that you've left your bunso for good.
Missing you tonight. I'll see you again sometime. For now I'll close.
Ang bagay lang na mapisado sa kanya, pasasalamat, pagmamahal, dahil siya po ang pangatong tatay ko. Hindi ko nakikita.
Dream of heaven tonight.
Nung bata kami ay Daddy would always tell us na ako daw yung kamukha niya sa aming magkakapatid. So, I wasn't sure if I should feel happy or insulted. Yung daddy namin, I think he always wanted to have a son, but tatlo kami, puro kami babae, magkakapatid. But pagka birthdays namin, doon lang kami makakatanggap ng Barbie. So bata pa lang kami, talagang inano niya na kaming tatlo equal kami. At the end of the day, nakainom na siya. Nandun na kami sa room, magkakasama kami sa room matutulog, kakantahan niya kami. Pauupuin niya sa lap niya, kakantahan niya nung kanyang favorite na happy birthday song. Yun ang lagi yun, kasi yun hanggat sa nung medyo malalaki na kami, ganon. First is first, but second is nobody. Yun talaga yung laging sinasabi sa amin ni Daddy. Si Daddy was a workaholic. Tuwing Pasko, may mga regalo yung mga apo niya, tapos sa amin wala na. Talagang binubuhos talaga niya sa mga apo niya. And yes, he was a very passionate grandfather to our mga apo, lalo na ako noon. I really had, marami akong challenges sa buhay. I had so many bad decisions sa buhay ko. But I'm very grateful to my dad. My dad's my hero.
Naming mapagmahal, inihahabilin namin sa iyo si Edgar na pumanaw sa buhay na ito. Huwag mo siyang pababayaan at pamanatikin mo siyang buhay sa iyong piling, alang-alang sa iyong awa at pag-ibig.
Seems that heaven isn't all that far. Heaven got another angel tonight. You left this world behind. Heaven got a little better the day it took you away from me. I'm missing you tonight. I'll see you again sometime.
If you would notice, yung consistent na theme pag nagkukwento sila about my dad, yung competitiveness, yung being first. This is what we passed on to ourselves, to our children, and hopefully the next generations about trying your best to do everything kasi it's your name on the line. When we were little, because mommy always goes to work early, si daddy nasa bahay pa. Tapos pagka wala na si mommy, si daddy magbe-breakfast na, papasok na sa work. So ang trabaho ko noon ay maghanda ng damit niya to start his day. So ipipili ko na siya ng susuotin niya, ng long sleeve niya and necktie niya. And ako din yung nagtatay ng necktie niya. Swak mo pa kayo. Sabi nga ganun. So, tuwang-tuwa siya eh. Pag sinasabi ko sa kanya, sabi nga natuwa siya doon. Yun yung tuwang-tuwa siya. On his last clothes and going to rest, I was able to choose his last outfit for the day. So, that makes me a little bit okay. Gwapo kayo.
Beaches aren't as lovely, the sky isn't quite as blue. Still they're sweetened by the memory of you. The rain is a little bit colder, the fire is never quite as warm. Still it seems that heaven isn't all that far. Heaven got another angel tonight.
All I remember na si Daddy Lo, the mafia boss for some people. Before, siya yung gumawa, nagtimpla ng gatas ko. Siya yung ng diapers namin. So he was that kind of grandfather, very gentle with us. There's something that I'll never forget. It's actually a song na I'll never forget. Walang gingging, palang gangga.
I'll see you again sometime. For now I'll close my eyes and dream of heaven tonight. Spending a little more time now with the things that mean a little bit more. I'm noticing the wonders of this world. I love with a little more hope now. I live with a little more peace, 'cause I understand how precious life can be. Oh, heaven got another angel tonight. You left this world behind. Heaven got a little better the day took you away from me. I'm missing you.